If this is your first time watching my video, or actually if this is the first time seeing my face, it's your good blessing A Cattle, and I'm back with something interesting. I'm back with another vlog. So we are literally doing a vlog. Okay, today is Monday. I don't know when this video will be coming up, but today is Monday. Today is 5th. And guys, guess what? It's exams week. I don't even know what to do. I have been reading. In as much as I have been busy, I have been trying my best to read. Like guys, the pressure is getting worse. Like my first paper is actually on Wednesday. So today is Monday. So I literally have like about today, tomorrow to finish wherever I have been reading for this particular course we are doing on that day. I'm actually doing plant biology as my first paper, and guys, honestly, I still have a lot to cover. So this is like exam week, so I'll be showing you guys how it looks like, though you guys should know beforehand that I cannot take my phone into the exam hall, so I can't show you guys how it looks like. I will try my best too. Maybe that's when I'm done my exam, and I'll just try and film for you guys to see. Just want to show you guys around the school. I haven't been to school for a while because we didn't have classes. It was just revision. So that was just literally it, guys. I was not fine for a week. That was just last week. And was it last week? Sorry, last 2 weeks. Last week was just epic, back to back: church, burial, wedding, Thanksgiving. It's the time of the year where we do Thanksgiving and all of it. So I'm done with my church Thanksgiving, and I'll show you guys the outfit I wore. I actually made the outfit myself. Then I went for a wedding on Saturday, this past Saturday. I'll show you guys the outfit as well. Same material but different outfit. I did for my Thanksgiving, I did a fitted Ankara skirt, a white top, and a kimono jacket. I actually made that myself, guys. And for the outfit for the wedding, I actually made a simple fitted gown with flared downwards. I wore my white sneakers, and that was it, guys. So guys, this morning I just got back from my parents' place because I had to go there for 1 or 2 reasons. I had to go to my parents' place on Saturday, so I just go back. I left this room messed up because on Saturday when I go back from the wedding, before I went for the wedding, I actually made the dress that same day. The way I left the room, that's the same way it is right now, guys, and that is so not good, so not nice. Like, I can't show you guys. I'm so embarrassed right now. I cannot show you guys, no face. So I want to clean up, and then I will cook. I haven't eaten this morning, and this is like, I think this is like after 10 or to 11 already. So I just want to quickly clean up, then I'll go and cook. I already went to fill up my gas this morning. So then it's gas. So I think I'll be showing you guys. I don't know what to prepare yet. I think I'll prepare rice. But first thing first, I really need to arrange this room because it's literally scaring me right now. So that is literally all. So let's get right into this vlog. Voila! Guys, I don't know what I want to do. My exam is on Wednesday, and I really do not want to start packing my hair. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should do. I kept a question tag on my community tab. I don't know if you guys have answered it. I haven't checked. That's literally it, guys. So I'm going straight up to clean, and see you guys in a bit.
Which kind of money you never seen before? Cause alone me got me feeling I'm the one. IJ, can never take my cake away. IJ, you can't count my grace. I just stay in my lane, my lane. Yeah. Oh no. So many reasons why I want it for you, my love. Now you all want to retire with my love, yeah. Je suis désolée, je ne peux pas prendre la distance encore. Depuis ton départ, mon cœur se casse tous les heures. Depuis Walem que t'as chargé, oh là là, comment changer ou non, j'aimerais envie ou depuis Walem que t'as chargé, oh là là, comment changer ou non, j'aimerais envie ou fais comme ça, chérie, fais comme ça. She be not this kind of thing where they make me see how Conjoint ou femme voyer, collanguette moi ouais ciel là. See I will make you know say me there for you, gotta. Même si pas comparable ouais, je m'en fous c'est pas mêlé ça. I never treated you for nothing. This love making me do something. No way. See bagay moi bagay à me no. I never treated you for nothing. Depuis Alem que t'as chargé, oh là là, j'aimerais changer ou oh non, j'aimerais envie ou
Hey guys, today is Tuesday and right now I'm actually heading out to school. I have a class for my exam tomorrow. I have a revision class today, so this is like after 12 and I'm about heading out, so come along guys. I'll be on the way, boy.